So all my students from vertical construction here at the Durham School, we are building 10 sheds, and all the sheds are going to be sold, and the profit are going to go to Bridges for Hope that they're building Hope Village. It's a village very close to campus where they're building 18 houses in this village for people that live in the prison system. We have people that are buying the sheds, and all the money raised for are going to Hope Village. Hey, is that thing off?
What? I'm pretty sure all of us here are pretty excited. It's our first time we get to actually build something here at the university, getting to use power tools and having access to the 3D printing room for different things we want to design. And I think it's just a great time for all of us to be out here and enjoying the outside weather and building.
We actually train all the students. So all of them got trained in every single power tool that they needed. All the drills, all the table saw, miter saw, nail gun, all of them got trained. So that way, now they feel comfortable, they feel they can be part of the field, and they feel that they belong in the classroom.
We get to use the state-of-the-art building behind me. All the professors here are very professional. They're trying to get you ready for your career field that you're going to go into. I think it feels great that we're able to help the community. It is going to be like, wow, I actually did something for the community and helped out in ways that I didn't think it was possible when I came to Nebraska.